Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sky States. So, today we are going to discuss the most asked question, that is, why some students get placed faster. So, after teaching hundreds of students, I have noticed one thing. The students who get placed faster aren't the ones who are the smartest. They don't necessarily know more Python or they don't solve every coding question. The biggest difference is how they learn. Some students spend months jumping between YouTube videos and saving tutorials they'll never finish and trying to figure out everything out on their own. And others learn in a place where they can ask questions, build projects, get feedback, and stay consistent. That structure makes the biggest difference than most people realize. So that is the approach we have tried to build at Sky State. We keep our classes interactive, focus on practical projects, encourage students to ask questions, and spend more time on interview preparation, not just completing a syllabus. So, because at the end of the day, our goal isn't for you to finish a course, it's for you to feel confident enough to solve a problem on your own. So, if you're looking for a place where learning is more than just watching videos, take a look at what we are building at Sky States. It might be the kind of environment you have been searching for. So follow Sky States, and till then, take care, bye bye, and have a nice day.